Meow. 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 Meow.
And assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Park Studios 24/7. Today we are here with Mr. Kasser and we're going to be talking about animal abuse. This is a very serious topic because many people do this, and we're going to tell you about how to take care of the animals and how we should not do this. So,
There are two kind of animals, Ayan. One is pet animal and one is stray animal.
stray animal.
How one should deal with pet animals and stray animals?
Well, if you have a pet animal, these things I'm going to be telling you can apply on any kind of pet, like cats, dogs, and birds.
What about dogs? If you are talking about stray dog and if you're going nearby this dog, if it will bite you or if
Wait,
it will scratch you, then it's not vaccinated. It can hurt you. You can be.
This is about pet animals first.
Okay.
So then I'm going to be talking
Okay.
about
All
stray
right.
animals. So now, if you have a pet animal, it's better if you take him to the vet at least two times a year. If it's sick, you should straight go to the vet because a pet can die very quickly. They're animals. Obviously, they're not humans. They can't live that long age, like 57 or 84 years old. Like I'm just like giving you examples on how old we can be. So go to the vet as soon as your pet has any symptoms. I think, yeah, a bird can sneeze, like there's a small like sound that's called a bird sneeze, and this can be very dangerous for humans too because bird flu is very dangerous for humans too. So now you have to change its water and food at least nearly every week, or like at least two times a week. Okay, once a week or two times a week. It depends on what animal you have.
Okay.
And you need to, if it's a bird, you need to clean its cage daily. Birds can be messy, but they are very clean animals.
And who's supposed to clean the cage?
Cage? Anyone.
Anyone, but normally it goes to moms and dad, right?
Yeah.
Even not dad, moms are cleaning that. So,
Wait, I just want to say that now since you have now since we are talking about the cleaning of animals, you need to give your pet a bath nearly weekly. If it's in the winter, it's not necessary because it can become sick, but you have to
yeah,
give
but
him a
but
bath.
I have something to say.
Yeah.
Every single kid in the world like to keep the pets,
Yeah.
but they don't want to take care of the pets. They just want to pet it, hug it, like it. But when it comes to the cleaning or feeding, mom, can you please do it? So we
I
should
have
not
no-
put it on moms only, na?
Yeah, I have no problem of cleaning it. I just don't know how to change the tray. Like,
So you can learn from your mom
yeah, I can feed it, but
because you need to take responsibility of your pet.
yeah,
It's not only to pet it. It's only it's. I mean, for sure, you need to clean and you need to take care of your pets feed and all that hygiene and cleaning everything, no?
So I'm going to be talking about, like, it's an example. If you have budgies or parakeets,
Mhm.
budgies and parakeets are the most clean, like they're the cleanest animals ever. They don't even like the places which are dirty.
Even cats are very
Yeah.
neat and clean.
Yeah. I don't know about dogs, but cats and birds are definitely a lot cleaner than dogs.
Yes, agreed.
Well,
And now, what about the stray dogs and stray
Yeah.
animal,
so
especially dog, because dog
Yeah.
is dangerous, no?
So if you have an area where maybe cats or dogs come, or maybe birds too, like you can go to the pet store and take many different types of food. Okay, the first thing is to get food. Water you obviously have in your home. So then you can just craft up many things. There are millions of tutorials on YouTube how to make a thing for birds and how to make a thing for cats. But there is no such thing about a dog. A stray dog can be very dangerous because first, if it has a baby, like a puppy with him, it can become more dangerous because the mother wants to protect its.
At that
yeah.
stage, she become very offensive.
Yeah. So how to take care of dogs? Well, first of all, in the morning, like in the night.
What to call dog in Urdu?
I don't know.
Kutta.
Okay.
And what is the plural of kutta?
Kuttas.
Kuttas, yes. So, डॉग को उर्दू में कुत्ता कहते हैं, कुत्ता की प्लूरल है कुचास. सो कुचास को आप कैसे टेक केयर करेंगे जो कि आवारा कुचास हैं?
So in your neighborhood, if you have dogs and they're not near to your house, and you know that you're not gonna go outside maybe somewhere, you can do the same thing that you do with cats and birds, except you're gonna quickly put the food inside the bowl or whatever you have to contain the food of the dog, and quickly go back inside your house. So
But quickly घर में घुस जाएंगे, but once you are nearby the dog and you're trying to feed the dog and dog is trying to chuck मारो you, आप क्या करो you?
I'm just gonna put the bowl like in front of him or any container, and then
If dog catches you and chuck maring you, then
I can go to the hospital.
oh man. भाई कुत्तों से हट के कोई बिल्ली की बात कर लो, बिल्ली को आप पाल लो, स्ट्रे बिल्ली को आप वाटर दे दो, कुछ कर दो, ये ठीक है. पिजन्स को दे दो, चिड़ियों को दे दो, कुत्ते से ज़रा साइड पे ही रहो तो ठीक है.
Yeah, because I have never I have never seen a dog like ever taken care of it or like touched it before, so I don't know that much about a dog, but I know about cats and like birds. So now in my neighborhood or my apartments like near me, people are very generous and they keep containers like nearly everywhere and put water in it. Some may have some breads crumbled.
और चलो बस ठीक हो, कुत्ता पाल दिया हमने. अब इसको मैं खैर क्लोज करते तक हमारी वीडियो लोग तंग हो रहे होते हैं ना, तो लेट्स क्लोज द वीडियो.
Yeah, okay. Take
Outro.
care of your pets. And
Shoot the outro.
yeah, I'm gonna take care of your pets and even stray animals. I hope you have a nice day. Bye. Subscribe.
Bye.
Subscribe and like this video.
Good.